In a forgotten corner of the countryside, covered in dust and decay, I found it. A legend, sleeping. A first-generation Audi R8, its once glorious lines obscured by rust and time. Most saw a wreck, a lost cause destined for the scrapyard, but I saw a soul waiting to be reawakened. The journey began with a single act of faith, hooking it up to a tow truck, pulling it from its grassy tomb, and bringing it home to my sanctuary, the garage. This wasn't just a purchase, it was a promise to bring it back. Under the stark lights of the workshop, the true extent of the decay was revealed. Every bolt was a battle, every panel a story of neglect. I stripped it down to its bare metal heart, the legendary V8 engine, which was a greasy, corroded monument to its former power. This was an automotive autopsy, uncovering the layers of damage to understand what needed to be healed. Then came the fire and the grit, the long, arduous process of sandblasting the chassis, peeling away the rust to reveal the clean, strong steel beneath. It was a rebirth in a shower of sparks. Dents were hammered out, and new metal was welded in where the corrosion had won. Simultaneously, the heart of the beast was undergoing its own surgery. The V8 engine was completely rebuilt, piece by piece. Pistons, rings, bearings, every component was either restored or replaced. With the bodywork flawless, it was time for the most dramatic transformation. The car entered the paint booth, where its new identity would be forged. Layer after layer of deep liquid black coat was applied, followed by multiple layers of clear coat, each polished to a mirror finish. The final stage was a symphony of assembly. The rebuilt engine was carefully lowered back into the chassis. The suspension, the brakes, the completely redone interior, every piece, now new or perfectly restored, was reinstalled with precision. Finally, the iconic four rings were placed back on the grille. It stood complete. No longer a rusted relic, but a pristine, roaring Audi R8, better than new. A testament to passion, patience, and the timeless beauty of engineering. A legend brought back to life.